In this video, I'll show you how to change your Microsoft account in the OneDrive app on Mac OS. While the OneDrive app is running on your Mac, click on the OneDrive icon located up here in the menu bar. Then, click on the gear icon to access Preferences. In the Preferences window, switch over to the Account tab. Right here, it will list all the OneDrive accounts you've added to the app. You can add multiple accounts, but keep in mind that you're only allowed to add one personal OneDrive account, along with multiple work or school accounts. To change your OneDrive account, simply click on the Unlink this Mac link for your current OneDrive account. A confirmation window will pop up. Go ahead and click the Unlink Account button. After you confirm, the OneDrive app will restart and your old account will be successfully logged out of the app. Now, you can just sign in with your new OneDrive account and follow the on-screen setup steps to finish up.